Hello, this is Brett, and in this short video tutorial I'm going to cover um, amending a letter and of course the report section. So straight out of the box, Club Manager comes with a lot of stock letters and reports, um, everything you could ever need really in terms of letters and reports, but of course you might need to amend some of the letters. And one of the ones that's normally amended straight away is the welcome letter, the welcome stock letter. So before we get started, it's important to note that by default, all of the letters you get when you first have an account are system letters, system reports, and it's important to note that you can't edit these system reports. Um, what you have to do, you have to duplicate a report, you have to copy one of the reports, and then you can edit the copy. And the reason for this is you can always roll back to the system report if you don't like what you've done. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to search for our welcome letter. There we go. If I click on that. Now, as I mentioned, we can't amend this letter as it is. We have to copy it. So I'm going to click the copy button there. And here we have it. So I'm going to rename it to our welcome letter. I'm going to keep the type the same because we want it to appear alongside a member information, not popping up in another part of the system. And we'll click enable. I'll save that. Now I'm going to click this design button here. So you'll see it opens up the design window. So here we have our letter. Now editing it is very simple. All we need to do is double click and then we can type in what we want to change. So everything in curly braces are the mail merge fields, so you don't really want to change these. You want to leave those as they are because they'll put in this example, the member's name. So make the change. Example. And we OK that, and you can see the change reflects there. Now, if we wanted to change one of these mail merge fields, what we can do, we can simply delete that, and our fields appear under these data sources. So if I open that window a little bit wider, we can see we've got all of the field names in here. So instead of having the full name, we might just have the first name. So I'm going to click that and you'll see it puts in the field there. So OK that. Our opening hours are different, so I'm going to say our opening hours are 7:30 to 8 p.m. And then once I'm happy with that, I can then save that report by clicking the save icon here. Go back to our welcome letter and we can preview it in this section here. So I'm going to choose a random member, preview that, and there we have it, our new letter. Now because this is enabled, this will appear with a member. So if I go to Anna's details page, you can see that under here we have our welcome letter, and that creates that right against the member. And this is the same in the all members grid. So we can choose a set of members, go to reports, we have our welcome letter here. I click that and it produces 3 pages for each of the member. So there we go. That was amending reports.